Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today we're going to talk more about differentiation and your law firm. As we've discussed in the past, it's really important to differentiate your law firm from all the other people out there who do what you do. One of the ways to differentiate yourself is by choosing media that hit your target market that other folks don't choose to use. So, for example, let me show you, give you an example of something that I would never ever advise my clients to use as a form of media to reach their clients. This is something that most attorneys are familiar with. It is the Yellow Pages. And as you can see on this ad, on these pages here, there are ads for attorneys. And these two pages contain several different ads for attorneys. This is the exact wrong place to advertise if you're an attorney. This is the equivalent of going to the supermarket to buy a can of peas and you look at the shelves and all the cans of peas look the same. Well, if you're an attorney and you're in this book, even if you're on the cover of this book with a little square that they pasted on there and charged you extra, if you're in this book, there's nothing that's going to differentiate you from everybody else. So I never recommend that my clients advertise in the Yellow Pages. Some other places that I don't recommend you advertise are in any type of flyer or brochure that contains other attorneys who do what you do. Why would you do that? The worst place to ever look to buy something or to ever look to sell something is where everybody's looking and people can compare you. Because when people can compare you to everyone else, you become a commodity. So, when you look to choose places to advertise or places to market your services, you want to go where your clients go, but you want to make sure that you're one of the few attorneys who do what you do that's advertising there. So, for example, if you are an attorney that deals with a consumer practice area. So you're an attorney that deals with, let's say, family law, or that does trust and estates work, probate work, that does transactional work for families like real estate closings and that sort of thing. The best place for you to advertise, one of the absolute best places, is in a place where families go and they will potentially know you. So your local community center, your local church, your local school PTA, anything that you can sponsor or be a part of, that is a great venue for you. Particularly if there are no other attorneys who are doing what you do, advertising in those areas. Another great place for you to advertise if you're in the consumer practices is places where other attorneys go, where they can possibly get to know you and refer you. Now, if you're in a corporate transactional practice, great places to advertise would be places where you would have exposure to people who choose your services. So, if you have the opportunity to advertise for an educational event for people who are in your area of specialty, that would be fantastic. So, let me give you an example. If you are an intellectual property attorney and you specialize in internet law, it would be great for you to advertise and speak at a convention where other people who are involved in technology are going to attend. Many attorneys wouldn't think to sponsor an industry event. They would sponsor a legal event, but they wouldn't sponsor an industry event. They wouldn't want to speak at an industry event, but you will sponsor and speak at those events because you go where attorneys don't go, and you speak or sponsor or attend events that attorneys normally wouldn't attend because you're focused on a niche and you're focused on differentiating your law practice. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more tips just like these, please visit us at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.